live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning, guys. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Do not copy my trades. Trade on demo. Heed all those warnings. I didn't load yet. I didn't load. Gotta load the charts. Can anybody guess what we're starting with? Yes, sirree, the 15-minute chart. Let's see what... did I make mistakes? I made a mistake. Oh, well. That's good enough. This should be the 15-minute chart. So, my theory is, I drew it in yesterday, that we're going to trade sideways today. Tomorrow we spike up and then spike lower. So far it's kind of playing out. I mean, yeah, I can bring this down to here. It's not really the levels, it's more the pattern that's going to play out is what I'm thinking. Let me mark off also the US session highs and lows. Keep that in mind. Well, the high I don't need. It's just the low. So this line is not necessary. And starting from here, the low of the was reached over there. Okay, so it's like an extra low. I should even paint it solid red. I will. My nose is blocked, but I think my cough is better. Let's make it tomato. Tomato's a lovely color. Okay. The automated strategy. I don't know why I'm not using it yet. Template. Load. Morning. Load. Okay. And I was also thinking about the opening drive. It has an interesting pattern. Either it kills it or it almost pretty much immediately reverses. That's a great strategy maybe to use to pass the account. The opening drive. To pass an eval, that's what I'm talking about. To pass an eval. I sent a what do you call it? Customer service inquiry to Bulenox. They haven't replied yet. That's really odd. They usually reply very, very quickly. I was asking for them to reset my account with the when the data got all screwed up. I don't think they will, but I'll ask. Doesn't hurt to ask, right? Worst they can say is no. Let's see. I'm loading Bulenox now. And today I am trying a new strategy. I think I've been too greedy. I've been trying too much, and the more I try, the harder trading gets. So I'm pulling back a little bit. So anyways, let's see if that pattern plays out. We didn't trade past the Asian session highs. The Asian session is the gray box. 2 minutes to Wapner. Well, that implies lower markets today, actually, which would coincide with this over here. Let's say, let's make that to there. approximately. But we'll see, because it looks like the obvious target, to be honest with you. I think these highs, we're going to target these highs, but I think we're going to target them tomorrow. But anyways, I don't really trade on what I think. I trade on what's happening now. So let's just set up the 1 minute chart. Oh, let's take a quick look in the daily. Take a quick look at gold. Take a quick look at crude. Get back on the daily. Wow. Let's get the opening drive on Sim 102. I took a poll the other day. Hold on, opening drive. Anybody see opening drive? Opening drive trader. Let's change that to Sim 102. Enabled. Okay. Yeah, what was I saying? Anybody remember? I don't remember. I do remember saying that opening drive can... 4? That's 4? Yeah, okay, 4. Oh, the volatile is high. Should make it 6. Anyways, doesn't matter. Crude. Let's put on crude. I like to watch crude. Strategies. Clever crude. Where's clever crude? Markets open in. Ah, crude had an entry already. Okay, opening drive. You took a trade on Sim 102? No, not yet. Sim 102. You can see it there, no? Oh, no, you don't. Hold on, let me see if you... No, I don't have the account. No, I didn't. Sim 102 is going to trade the opening drive. Right now, Sim 102 is at 0. I think I'm going to wait a little bit. Let me go to the split screen and get the account data for you there. You can see Sim 102 is at the top. Sim 101 is from trading the reflex algo. But I prefer this screen over here, so let me add that. Paste. Ooh, that's no good. Okay, it's only for emergencies. It's only for people who are desperate to see. I don't hear any noise. My charts are quiet. It's very quiet here. Something's wrong. I can't pinpoint it. I didn't do a sound test, did I? Sound test is good. Okay. Let's remove the account data because it's blocking the chart. That's not fun. What did we take out? We took out London's highs. I think we took them up before, but we also swept the Asia highs. Nice. I want to use my trade copier today. I don't even know what I'm supposed to trade. Let me load Bulenox. I didn't sleep well. Really didn't sleep well. So my trading is going to be very conservative. Hey, look at that. They didn't reset my account. Oh well. Buggers. Buggers. That's it. We're tanking. Coming up to a dotted line. What's that dotted line? Oh, the previous day's close. Looking at a different chart. Okay. I'm kind of ready to trade. Let's start off slow. Start off with a 2-lot, which is already stopped out. That's so funny. Don't take me out, you pecker. I should have marketed it out. There we go. Lost $4, but it was a full loss, so it should have been $56. I did better, and now it's long again. So you bugger, what are you doing? You're not filling me. What, are we not in sync again? $73, $75, $80, $81. That looks good. Sell market. I guess I should get used to using market orders. If I use market orders, I don't have to worry about it, at least on the exit, right? There we go. Take me out $72. So my target is going to be about $200 to $300 an account. Because I've realized that $200 to $300 an account is phenomenal. I've been shooting for way too much. Like that was an easy trade. Easy breezy. No effort. Renko, what's that? 4,728. Let's go to 32. That's not Renko. That's Renko. So I was saying yesterday, I'm going to use a longer term filter. Look at that. I'm telling you, I swear to God. I swear to God, you could use the opening drive to pass accounts. Yeah, a longer term filter. So right now, the longer term filter, the higher time frame, that's a better one. The higher time frame filter is long right now. So I'm going to try that today. I'm not going to take shorts right now, even though the top step chart says take shorts, because the top step chart on the higher time frame Renko says long only. So we're going to respect that and we'll see how it goes. Main reason is it's going to get me into less trades, which is not a bad thing. Okay, I'm long at 87, then long at 86, 14 points. Okay, for 14 points, I'll go for 14 points. That's the OOs. That's 996. It's going to be front running though. It's a whole number. Let's add a little bit. Hopefully there'll be one more run. It's trying. 91. Yeah. Not crazy about it. Get out. Get out. Sim 102. Look at that. Sim 102. Opening drive. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Joker. How you doing this morning? Data series. Black. Ooh. Okay, I'm almost at my 300 in my Bulenox. That's good. Actually, I'm not almost at my 300. I mean, yeah, I'm almost there. It's 293. Okay, we hit, wait a minute. What was I, how did I miss? Oh, wow, really? We did all that? Misreading my charts. Oops. Oh, it's true. I was supposed to wait till 9:45. I completely forgot. I completely forgot. Let's take a look. I think we're off my chart. No, not really. Still, I can bring that over here. It doesn't have to be exact. It's just the theory. I know what to do. I have an idea while I wait for the next trade. Oh, be quiet. Power off, power on. There we go. Let's take a look at the 1 minute, see what we got. No really good entries. No really good entries. So I didn't copy trade yet, and I will copy trade. I'm just waiting for I'm waiting for the markets to calm down a little bit. It's a long day.
Only have one on top, I think.
Hey, why is it not power? Why is not my Bluetooth working? It's supposed to say power on.
I don't think there's a sell. I don't think there's a sell side gap.
There we go.
Yeah, I think there's only an imbalance on buy side, right, on the top one now. I don't see one on the bottom.
I hear you. What's up? Okay. Do we try and take a small trade here? 56, like at 49 for a 2-lot, if I can. Oops. Should have gotten it better. I hope this isn't the bottom. That was poor entry. So I got to get out. Poor entry. I got to get out of the trade. Can't stay in it. I needed to get 48. I was getting 50, 52. Because my X is 56, 57, somewhere around there. Wow, it's a strong move. 63, 56. I can enter at 56. 59 bid. 58, 55. See, I should have had it in. I'm too slow. Shit. Okay. Took a little more out, but that's enough. I don't know how people are able to trade these moves, honestly. If they're able to get in, I'm not really able to get in on such a strong move. Wow, we're just going and going and going, eh? Are there any targets that I need to be aware of? 27-point range. The only obvious one is previous day's high, 19,165.
Reversing.
Oh, that's why it was so quiet. I was wondering. Okay. Losing trade. Yeah. Eventually you get an invite. $77. I didn't get filled at 77. Mais oui, mais oui. Whoa. Shit, damn. Huh. 70. I'll add it 70. That's nice. That's nice. 204. Getting there, getting there, getting there. Easy breezy. Wait for the next pitch. Let's see if I can get about 10 points off this. 81. I'm going to try for 10 points. And my stop is going to be less. Actually, I'm going to reverse, and we're very close to getting stopped out, so I might reverse. Might not be the wisest thing to do. That's 15 bucks. I'll take it. I'll take it. I don't think I had a losing trade yet. The little in the middle. It's the little in the middle. Opening drive is up 100 points. That's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, I did for a while. I did for a while, and then I stopped. I don't know. It's too many points, and it holds the trade too long. It's in the trade now for what, 20, 25 minutes. I wasn't able to hold that long. I was always getting out early, so I didn't catch the big runners. I was taking 40 points actually, but it's not optimal to do that. Yeah. No, I definitely should. Well, I think twice actually. I applied it to a Bulenox chart, but I only got 2 days in. I don't know. I'll think about it. Definitely an idea. I've concluded that $300 a day is spectacular. I think we talked about it yesterday in the evening stream. Oh, yeah. Thanks for reminding me. I forgot. Ping. Are there bonus points for being the first one? Yeah, I think on my phone it looked like I was the first one. Mm, yeah, it is. It really is. Super strong is a good way to describe this market. Wow. That was a chase. So I got to get out of it. That was a chase. That was a FOMO. That was all bad stuff. No good. Not doing that. Not doing that. I'm not going to start to spiral down. My day's been good so far. I'm going to keep what I have. Woo! Let's remove the drawings. Yeah. 150 points, opening drive. If it gets up to 250 points, I will close the trade. And are we going to get up to yesterday's high? How did we even form yesterday's high? It was a run up the whole day, and then we trailed off some. Yeah. Now if we look at the daily, no, I can see us taking out the high. And we got a long way to go to get there. This is just going and going, but got a little alert there. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my God, I hate this. Like everybody else, I hate just watching it. Ten o'clock. The orange folder. Hey, Kevin. As the markets are steamrolling higher. Almost impossible to get in. Opening drive is up almost 200 points already. The opening drive play on the little screen. Crazy, crazy. I'm going to take it at 250 points. So that's 891, 991, 091, 140. If we can get up to 141, then the trade will be automatically exited. I'm going to put the order in now. 143.50. Let's make it one. It's hard to move. There we go. 141.75. That is 200. That's exactly 250 points. See if we can get there. Wow, there's just no way to get in on this. It's just riding the line, just going higher and higher and higher. Buy, 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 buy. And that's what it's saying to me. Bye bye. It's going without me. I hate this, but you know what? I know what they're doing. They're trying to suck me in because the minute I get in, it's going to reverse. It's going to rotate lower. There will be plenty of setups. We're going to get pullbacks. We're going to get retraces. Just got to wait. Be patient. That's all. What a move, though. What a move, man. And I don't know if you heard, I'm setting my sights on $300 a day per account. So I was going to copy trade, but that's just my warm-up. My Bulenox is at 293. So that's 2. If I can do that 3 times a day, that's pretty spectacular. And then add in some copy trading. And my cat's going bananas again. Anybody want a cat? He's a really good cat. He just likes his cookies all the time. Come here, Sparks. Yeah. Wow, VWAP is almost not even in the picture. Previous day's close in the rear view mirror. Crazy. But it's time for the 10 o'clock reversal. Okay, a little $10 scalp on a one lot based on the 10 o'clock reversal. I tried to get in at 65, but I was slow. Now 61 would be a decent entry. 62, 59.75. You see, I'm just not getting the fills I want. Let me try one more. Oh no, I gotta get out. Okay, well, that cost me a little bit. Not a lot of it, but a little bit. And this is actually a trade, so we'll see what happens. Let's see what happens if we can get over 68. Get above 68. I'm in at 64. $68. Actually, we got to get up to 75. We'll do a double top. There we go. There we go. There's the double top, and then now we're gonna have the 10 o'clock reversal. And we're gonna poke through that high just a little bit. Is the 10 o'clock reversal gonna come later at 10:10? What? What was that noise? What did I hear? Who's blowing their trumpet? I did. I did. I'm sitting here with a blocked nose, not blowing my nose, and you're having a good time there with the Kleenex. Okay, guys, we got another 50 points to get to 250 points on the opening drive. We're exactly 200 points up. No, this is a one-way train, and that's so hard to trade. So hard to trade for someone especially like me, because I always think, okay, this is the top. Now we're going to reverse, because that's the personality of NQ. Most days, it runs and then it reverses. It runs and then it reverses. So I'm kind of like psychologically, what's the word? Not trained, but whatever the word is, to think that we're going to reverse. And you know what? It's not only me, but there are also people who think it's going to reverse, and they short into this, and they short, and they short, and they keep trying to short. It's a dangerous way to trade. It's actually because of days like this that I don't like being a counter trend trader. You really have to have good discipline and good stops and good entries. I'd really like to see 250 points on OD. Yeah. I Woo! Yep. $10 reversal. It's 10:10. It's late. I've seen the 10 o'clock reversal come in as late as 10:20. And I've also seen 10 days when there is no 10 o'clock reversal, believe it or not. So I might take a short if I see something decent, but it's going to have a very tight stop, and it's only going to be for small size. Your phone's buzzing. I hear it. Either that or you're shaving. Okay, took a small short. Let's see if I can pull up 82. Let's get down to 75. Oh, I had it, I think. I had it. There we go, 74 bid. Very good. That's it. A quick scalp, 10 points. Wait for the next setup. I love it, man. Slowly working my way up to 300. Not taking much risk. Chipping away, chipping away, chipping away. That's the way to do it. Wow, we didn't get up to 250 points. We're close to the opening drive, closing the trade, but not yet. And now after such a strong run, I'm going to get long trades, and I'm not going to be comfortable taking those either. The market paid already for today. Now the market's going to go in take your money mode. It's a shame. The wiener. Uh, boop. Somebody went long. Oh, yeah? Really? How's that even possible? Is that the 10 o'clock reversal? Uh, 82, 77, 80, 80. 79, 77. Come on, let's get down to the 70s. Yeah, I think so too. You gotta be kidding me. Well, let's get down to 68. That looked like a little bit of weakness. One more. I'm a busy man today. Oh, opening drive is out, eh? I didn't even notice. So it didn't get 250 points, but it did good. And I still think the 10 o'clock reversal came in at 10:09. That's the high. I'm gonna sit back here and relax and watch. And it's funny, it doesn't show. I got a small short for a 3 lot on Bulenox. I'm short. You're short at 68. I'm short at 73, but I'm stopped that already. Let's get another push up for 8 points. There we go. Took out another 50 bucks. I am short. Stop above the last FVG. Oh, I don't even have my FVG chart up, eh? Yeah, it's a very strong market today, Woodchip. It's I think if you're going to short exactly that, I think I would keep my stops very, very tight, obviously. Famous, infamous disclaimer: I'm not a financial analyst, advisor. Don't take my advice, don't copy my trades, and consult a financial advisor. Every time you want a place to stop, consult a financial advisor. Give him a call and ask him. Hey, first cough of the day. Another crazy strong run. Wow. So we took out the U.S. session highs by a couple of points. Often that precludes also a reversal. I'll short a 2-lot. But that's all I'm going to do. Even that, I think I'm risking too much. Because it is a strong market today. They don't look like they feel like removing their grip off the shorts. I think they have anyone who's short in the crosshairs, and they're going to make him scream for mercy.
Order canceled.
Really? Just now? Order canceled? Yep, no, take it away. Stop it. Get it out of my head. Get it out of my head to be looking for shorts here. Oh, we're so high. We have to go down. Yeah, what am I going to do? I'm going to keep guessing where? Nah, no, 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 no. This market is steamrolling higher. If you take a long trade, you're much more likely to get follow through than you are to get follow through on a short trade. Scalping minis today. Way to go, woodchip. You know what? This is the market environment to be doing it. Smart traders know when to take advantage of yeah, and like I said, smart people know when to take advantage of this kind of volatility. When the market is feeding, feeding. It's time to open your mouth wide. But smartly. I've been doing it not smartly. I don't understand. If you want a schlong. He's gone schlong. Someone's gone schlong. He took the opening drive. Getting a small amount of momentum now to the downside. A little bit of a... Let's not even call it a retrace. Let's just call it a pause. Let's just call it a pause. I'm just going to watch it. Well, that was another 8 points. Are we going to continue another 8 points? Let's see if we can get down 16 points from here. Get down to 96, 19,096. Let's go. Start selling. I can get hurt too much, and I don't want to. I don't want to. Didn't film me? Bugger. Uh, okay, let's see if we can go back up now. There we go. Yep. Golden. 10:30, we are 1 minute away from the initial balance. I'm gonna wait for initial balance to pass. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remember to put that on my new huge idea. Huge idea. Ah, that's funny. $44. Can I get long at around 36? 89. Missed it. Missed it, missed it, missed it, missed it, missed it. That's funny. Okay, I'm gonna take just the one lot over here because I'm right at the top of the US session. And if I can get $18 out of that, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. Anytime it's gonna give it to me, I'm gonna take it. I'll try again. I'll try again. The next level is 52 minus 8. That's 40, 44, 48, 47. I should put in a limit order. Let me do a buy limit. There we go, 44. There we go. There we go. Small risk on this. Small risk. Did I get a good price? 44. Yes, I should be able to pull 10, 12 bucks out of this. 10, 8, 9, 5. Looks like I should have taken my 10. I'll take whatever it gives me. It's not paying me too fast. I like to get paid fast. If I'm not getting paid fast, I'm going to bail because when it's not paying me, it's going to take. And besides, we're bouncing right up to the previous day's high there at 165. Whoa. I can't not take that trade. Let's see. Still not getting in. You know what? So I'm just playing for nothing here. So I'm just gonna let it go. Gonna wait for another setup. The setups have been few and far between because these moves have just been going on forever. Trying to be patient. Trying to be patient. But it's hard. It is hard when we're not getting setups. I don't want to just sit on my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 crappy entries. One mini for 3, 4 points at a time. Yeah. James used to do that. He used to go for $70. He used to kill it. He used to kill it. So now, do we get the reversal? We just tapped into the previous day's high. Is this the reversal? I just got one on each. Excellent. Took 3 minutes. Oof, that's long. That's long. Thought you were going to tell me it took 3 seconds. Oh my God, look, it's going back up again. I pity the people that are short and hoping. Come on, you're going to stop. You can't keep going. You can't. I am manual copy trading. Ooh, that's hard. You need to make a video on that. You need to make a video on that. I missed a trade over there. I missed a trade, and I liked it. Last day for the Apex. 90% off sale, ladies and gentlemen. As far as I know, it ends today. Got like 6 hours. I'm loading up. I got 3 today. I'm going to get another. I'm going to get a 6 lot. Not only that, they're all going to be traded properly, and I'm going to pass these. You know what? Enough wasting my time here. Enough doing stupidities. Let's just chug along. I realize the power of making 300 a day in each account. It's so easy, so doable. Right now I'm at 235. Yeah, I'm treading water a little bit, but I'm at 339 in my other Bulenox. And I would be doing much better if I didn't try to catch a couple of shorts like an idiot, like a chazod. How would you spell chazod? Anybody know how to spell chazod? NQ stuck at the previous day's high, but holding. It's holding. It's holding. It's trying to suck me into taking a short trade. I'm not taking a short trade. But there's going to be a long trade here on the IB retest. Let me put in the buy limit, because sometimes you only get a second. Goes for a flash. It flashes. We didn't get filled on the IB retest. Not yet, but we're so close. I've seen TBM get close like that, and then it doesn't get filled, and it goes. It goes. What do I do? Do I just go long? Do I just hit buy market? There's your 10 points. There's your 10 points. Now, if it comes down, I don't know if I want to be in it anymore. I was going to say, if we get a bullish candle here on the Heiken SG, I'll take it long, and I'll just use a one candle stop. Tim Horton, eh? Where? How do you know? What are you at, Tim Horton? I don't have Tim Hortons. Well, who sees Tim Hortons? There is no Tim Hortons. He's delicious. Tim Hortons is expensive. I'm not going to Tim Hortons anymore. Cheers. 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 $10.42. What are you doing? What are you doing on your phone? You done, Dave? Oh, are you trying to scare me? Oh, thank God. Were you going to scare me? Scare the shit out of me? Oh, no, you're going to screw up the... That's okay, though. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. What's up? What did you catch? What did you not catch?
Nothing on the last one.
Oh, yeah, you found trades in this one-way market?
Both were those setups there.
I didn't get notified of any setups. Here, this one here. That's the
one I lost on.
I didn't get another one.
Yeah, because it's only 2 minutes the other one. Pretty much break even. It's only up like $50 for the day, but
yeah. I'd be doing better than 235 up there, but like a schmuck.
price action is really.
It's hard. It's hard.
Just one way.
One way and boom, 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 just climbing.
Even the short I took at like that 10, 12, whatever.
Yeah.
Literally just left equal lows.
Where do you get in? That's it? You're quitting for the day?
Oh, well, maybe I'll come back PM. I don't think I'm going to catch anything now.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm alone. Me so lonely. So, did I say? Another short bar. Short.
I'll come back.
Yeah, okay. 15-second chart. No, I took it off. The 15-second chart no longer has a home on my screen. Too distracting. There you go. Are we, is the spread increasing? It looks like it. We're getting jiggity, getting up to 2 points. I don't know. We're getting one of those weird personality moves again. At what time? 10:43. Yeehaw, yeah. Were you short? Were you short, cowboy? Let's get under 17. Oh, even getting under 17 is no good. Let's go, push. The whole market is pulling back, not just a piece of the market. The whole market is pulling back. Get out. Get out. A little distracted. Like I said, the market giveth and the market taketh. And now I think we're going to be in market taketh mode. For a bit. Really? Okay, now we're going to get down to 10. 10 on the 10 on the bid. 13. 14. It's proving hard. Let's get down to 10 bid. 10 on the bid. There we go, 11. 10. I'll take it. Have I said how much I love Tradeify? I think you did. I think you did. But say it again. Sing it. Sing it from the rooftops. Isn't it funny how we do better on some firms? Or some platforms? With some prop firms? I cannot make $1. The journal and trade tracking really helps. I cannot make $1 on MFFU. I just cannot make it work. And Topstep X, I just love it. I just love it. Yeah, their dashboard is pretty shitty. So same with Bulenox. I don't understand why they don't invest a few dollars to make a better dashboard and look more professional. Seriously, that's like such a downfall, such an oversight. You look so unprofessional with dashboards like that. I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna let them know. They're gonna cancel. They're gonna close my account. Nah, they're not. Neither am I going to tell them. I'm not going to tell them. I'm sure they know about it. They don't need little old me to tell them. So, the 10 o'clock reversal comes at anytime. Anytime we reverse, we're going to call it the 10 o'clock reversal. But seriously, look how we bounced off the previous day's high, huh? I said that's a fade trade. Always a fade trade. Especially if you're coming from far away. What's the range on the day, actually? 19,180, 850, 180, 850, 150, 150, 130, 330 points. Big range. And relatively speaking, though, not such a big range because we're looking at 800-point range on the daily right over here using the ATR. That's pretty big. pretty. Oh, I have to sneeze. I have to sneeze. Top step is in short mode, but do I want to take a short? If I'm following my higher time frame filter, no, I should be still clicking longs. So what do? Do I just sit it out? Do I just wait? I'm going to try. There we go. Let's see if I can turn this into a small little winner. But put my finger on the close button. Not even looking at the account. If I'm stopped out, I want to be out. Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work, but I didn't lose a lot. I will try again. It's like trying to jump on a bus that's driving by with the door open. You got to time it perfectly. Let's go. Let's get 8 points from here. 8 points. Let's get up to 36, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34. There we go. Really? Only 204? Okay, well, it is what it is. I got on the bus over there. 2 trades on Tradeify, 2 micros each time. Total profit. Yeah, of course. What am I doing? I'm scalping 2 lots here now. And I get back in for a 2 lot right here. Boom, right there. Let's see what we can pull out of this one. 3, 17, 18, 19, 22, 23. That's good. Another 20 bucks. Just time the jump onto the bus at the right time. Keep your risk small in case you miss so you don't squash against the window. Right there. Go long again. No, don't take me out. Don't take me out. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. I'm back down again. Yesterday I took 20 trades, made 478, day before which was the first day of the account. I took 64 trades for minus 300. Yeah, it's the best way, you know, I think, personally. You don't take a lot of risk. No one trade makes or breaks your day. And you chip away. I mean, theoretically, we could say I already made a mistake because I was up to 250, I think, or 280, 290. Too many trades will kill you. Not if you know what you're doing. That's what I would say. Let me sell ask here. Let's get down 104, even under 104. 102, let's break 100. 104, come on, 103. I'll take it. I'll take it. Put my hand on the mouse again. Let's get back up to 9, 10, 11. Take the 11. Oh. Okay, this one I'm going to try and ride for some dinero. Let's go. Let's push higher. Push higher. Come on, you can push higher. Push higher. Okay, got me up into the 200s again. Like I said, I knew my mistake was I'm gonna tread water now. I know the pattern. I've seen it 1,000 times. I didn't have a losing trade, I think, for the first half an hour, 40 minutes, so I knew the market was going to start deliver price in a way that's not good for me. It's going to start to chop. Which means I just have to be more selective and time my entries a little bit better, that's all. Stay calm, follow the rules. Looking at the 1 minute chart, we got Heikin bullish candles on a potential change of trend. So let's see if we can get a bearish candle here. I can maybe take a short trade. And we could move all the way back down to take out this swing low here at 19,087. So what I would love to see is a small bearish bar. And I could set my stop just over the high of that bar and target that. I don't even know if I'll be able to hold for that, but I'll try. I'll try. Maybe I'll just do a one lot. What Chip will coach me. Every 30 seconds he'll type in the word hold. Oof. I'm hot. I don't know if my skin is red, but I'm hot. I think I am feverish. I think I have a fever. My nose is blocked. Yeah, I think so. I was going to tell you and I forgot about it, but yeah, I think so. I think I'm wearing my body down too much and it's going to make it harder to make it longer for me to get better. Yeah, why not? It's Thursday. Yeah, sure. Thanks. You're the man. Yeah, I should close down now also. You're right. Okay. Good man. Good advice. And I would be a fool not to take good advice. Guys, I think I'm closing it down, and maybe even I'm going to take off tomorrow morning. We'll see how I feel. But the evening stream is going to be moved to Monday. Monday will be our next evening stream. And if I'm feeling up to it, I'll stream tomorrow. If not, I think I'm just going to lay in bed with Neocitrin and read a book, take it easy, take my head out of the charts for a while. That's always a good idea, to take a break from trading and come back fresh. Hopefully my cold will be gone. So have a good weekend, everyone. Trade safe. And take care. Have a good weekend, Joker. Bye, guys.